Okay guys, here's the third video of expanding algebraic expressions. Again, there's a short way to do these. I will do the first one the long way and then show you how the short way is reached. So for this one, we've got x minus 5, x plus 5. So in other words, what's in the brackets is exactly the same except for the sign. We go x times x, which is x squared. X times 5, 5x. Minus 5 times x, minus 5x. Minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. We then combine our like terms, and when we've got our like terms here, of 5x minus 5x. So when we combine our like terms, they in fact cancel each other out because 5x minus 5x is 0. So we are just left with x squared minus 25. So let's look at the short way. When what's in the brackets is everything is exactly the same except for the sign, this is called the difference of two squares. So with the difference of two squares, you always in your answer end up with two terms, and in between the two terms is a difference sign. The first term, we square the first term in the bracket. That's x squared. The second term, we square the second term in the bracket. Minus 5 squared is 25. The sign in between is always minus. So that is the quick way to do this. Okay, I'll do another one, and we'll just do this second one the quick way. So if we have m minus 9, m plus 9, hopefully I can recognise that yes, there is a quick way, because what's in the brackets is exactly the same except for the sign. I'm going to be left with two terms, always with a different sign in the middle. First term, I square m, so m squared. Second term, I square minus 9 squared is 81. If you need to, you can do that the long way. You'll end up getting the same answer. So it's very, very handy for later on when we do factorising to be able to recognise the quick way, but it also saves you time when doing expanding. So we'll do a third one. With this third one, we have 2a plus 1, 2a minus 1. So in other words, what's in brackets is exactly the same again, except for the sign. So we're going to end up with two terms, always with a difference in between. For the first term, I square 2a, so square 2a all squared, so that is 4a squared. For the second term, I square the 1. 1 squared is 1. So that is my answer for that one. So this is called the difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, and again, if you're needing to do some for practice, then in the textbook it is exercise 7.2.